Eggs are a favorite for any meal, and here are 3 new ways to enjoy these in 3 exciting recipes. Hi everyone, welcome back to Cravings Food Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed. Today we're going to show you how to make the egg sandwich 3 different unique ways. This is gonna rock your world. Before I go any further with these recipes, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get started. I'm going to start with these sausage rolls. Take a slice of bread and cut the crusts off. To make this larger, I'm going to roll this out using a rolling pin. If using Wieners, this should fit perfectly, but since I'm using a jumbo sausage, I'm just going to have to trim this. This sausage has already been pre-cooked. I microwaved it, but you could also fry it or boil it. I'm going to also have to trim the width as well. Again, if you're using Wieners, you wouldn't need to do this. I'm going to pour out about half a beaten egg onto a plate, and I'm going to allow this to coat both sides of the bread. This has already been seasoned with salt and pepper. Now I'm going to add about a 1/4 cup of cheese. I'm also going to add some fresh oregano. I'm going to add the sausage now, and I'm going to roll it tightly. When you place it, make sure that it is seam side down. When ready to cook, place this on a hot oil pan, seam side down. I'm now going to cook this for about 30 to 60 seconds. I want to make sure that the seam is tightly secured. Once done, roll this over slowly so this cooks on all sides. The heat will cook the egg on the outside as well as the coating on the inside. You can serve the roll as is, or you can cut it into slices just like a traditional sausage roll. Now for a bit of ole with these egg fajitas. I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of onions and a 1/4 cup of green peppers into an oiled pan, and I'm going to allow these to caramelize. I have 2 eggs here that I beat up, and I've already added salt and pepper. Pour this over the onions and green peppers, and I'm going to add a tablespoon of chopped coriander, a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, and a pinch of chili flakes. I'm also going to add a 1/4 cup of grated cheese, and I'm going to cover this with a tortilla. I'm going to press the tortilla down. This will ensure that as the egg cooks, it clings to the tortilla. This is going to take about a minute till the egg cooks. And once you're sure that it has, flip it over. Now I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of grated cheese on 1/2, and I'm going to fold the tortilla over in half. Brown the tortilla on one side and then flip it over to brown on the other side. Slice this into quarters and serve. And now for the perfect stuffed omelette sandwich. Heat up some oil in a pan and then add 2 beaten eggs, and I've already added salt and pepper. Quickly add 2 slices of toasted bread and place them bottom edge to bottom edge. Allow the egg to cook for about a minute and then flip. I'm now going to add cheese slices on both slices of bread and some turkey cold cuts on one of them. Fold the omelette in and flip over one slice over the other. Cook this for another 30 seconds so the cheese gets a chance to get nice and melty. And then serve it sliced diagonally. These unique sandwich ideas are great for breakfast, but they're also great for lunch, dinner, or even a snack. Try them out for yourselves and enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoy these amazing recipes and that you're going to try them in your own home. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and don't forget, share the video with your family and friends so they can enjoy it as well. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care. Bye.